at that tiny cute egg. Oopsie, I hope I haven't cracked it. This egg is actually a normal sized egg, but next to the giant big Kinder Surprise egg, it looks really small, doesn't it? Let's open it up and see what we'll find inside. There we go. Ah, this looks like a bird. These must be the wings. It looks like a yellow bird. Let's take it out and see what it looks like once we've fixed it. Here's the instructions and a picture of what it will look like once we've finished with him. This is what he will look like at the end. And here's how to fix it. Let me just fix him. I'll show you what he looks like. And here's the completed birdie. Isn't he cute? He's yellow and blue. I really like the wings. So you just put your finger in here and you pretend he's flying, I guess. Let's put him down and move on to the giant egg. I'm really excited about this one. This egg is quite heavy. I wonder what's inside. Do you have any ideas on what it could be? I'm not too sure. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh wow, look at the patterns. They look really pretty. Let's crack the egg open and see what surprise we have inside. This is a very hard egg. I can't seem to crack it, so I'm going to need some help from this knife. Make sure you get an adult to help you if you're using a knife. Ooh la la, look how big the toy capsule is. Let's just put the chocolate on the side so we have some space. Any guesses on what's inside this giant egg? Let's compare the two toy capsules. Here's the big one and here's the small. Now the exciting bit, opening the big one. I can't seem to open it. This is really tough. And ta-da! Opened! Ooh, lots of pieces we have here. What's this? Let's have a look at the instructions. Oh wow, it's a car. It's a car and a ramp. It's Mariokart. Now let's have a look at the pieces and try to fix it. So, this must be the base of the car and this is the ramp. Here's a sticker and this must be the spoiler. Wonder what that is. Let's go back to our instructions and make this work. Oh, I see. Let's try to fix it. Looks pretty simple to fix, but if you need help, make sure you ask your mummy or dad to help you. You just put this one on top. How do I do this now? Won't be too long. There we go, she's clicked in nicely. Now the spoiler. I think this is called a spoiler. This goes at the back. And that's him done. They did give stickers. We can put that on at the end. This Mario Kart has a very good weight on it. Back to the instructions to see what's left. Almost finished, just need to fix this ramp. Oh, I seem to have forgotten a bit of the car. This goes at the front. Silly me, how can he drive without a wheel? Ah, that's better. He looks complete now. Just the final bit with these blocks that are left. It's great they give these instructions, otherwise I'd be so lost. And here it is, the complete toy. Here's the blocks. I think it's just so Mario Kart can go over, have a little jump and somehow land here. What do you think? I like it. Even the bird. They also gave us these stickers. I haven't put them on yet. I will in a bit. So these stickers must go on the car or the racetrack. Now let's have a look at the yummy chocolate. It's lovely white chocolate inside and normal chocolate outside. Let's have a look at the small one compared to the big one. Can you see the difference? The big one is a lot thicker and a lot heavier. I think I'll share this chocolate with everybody else later. Make sure you don't eat it all by yourself, otherwise you'll feel a bit poorly. So here it is, guys. We've got a bird and a Mario Kart. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.